Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Klara app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Klara is a secure messaging platform built for medical practices to streamline patient communication. It allows patients to chat directly with their healthcare providers, send documents, receive appointment reminders, and get follow-ups, all in one place. The interface is clean, HIPAA-compliant, and designed to reduce phone calls and paperwork for both patients and staff. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users appreciate the convenience of having all medical communication centralized in a single app. Response times are often quicker than traditional methods, and many patients find it less stressful than waiting on hold. Clinics also benefit from automation features that help manage appointment confirmations and routine follow-ups more efficiently. That said, there are a few downsides. Some users report delays in responses depending on how actively the clinic uses the app. There are also occasional bugs with notifications not coming through on time. And while the app is user-friendly, people unfamiliar with digital platforms might need a bit of guidance at first. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Klara is worth considering if you're looking for a modern way to manage doctor-patient communication. It simplifies scheduling, messaging, and follow-ups while maintaining privacy and compliance. However, the experience may vary depending on how well your healthcare provider integrates it into their workflow. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.